Today we're going to take a quick look at this mini projector. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video, and this thing is pretty amazing. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. I'll show you a little bit more about it. So first of all, you do get the projector. There it is, fits in the palm of my hand. This is what it looks like compared to my iPhone 14 Pro. Super small, very compact. Going to be great for traveling. Also, it is rechargeable, which I'll get into in just a second. Then you get the remote, a stand or a little tripod, the charge brick, the charge cable, and then also HDMI along with the user manual, and last but not least, a really nice carry case to put everything in. So if you are traveling, so I did say this is rechargeable, and that is rechargeable here on the back. So you do have a USB-C power input there, and you can plug it in and charge it while you're using it as well. You do have USB, so you can put a thumb drive in there with files on it, videos or whatever. Then you also have HDMI to plug in your devices. Then here on the bottom, it does have feet, so you can just put it on the ground if you want to, or a screw right there for the tripod, or another tripod you can use with it as well. And then here is the power button, so I'll go ahead and press this power button. I think I got it charged up enough. Just long press it, turn it on, and then we'll be able to use it. And I'll show it to you a couple different scenarios. One, I could actually show it to you right here, which is pretty cool, just on my desk. But while this is loading up, I'll show this to you. So this was projected on my wall in the next room over, and this is just hooked up to HDMI. I'm just playing my YouTube video there, just showing you the quality of it. So very good quality. It's 1080p. And then I have the remote, which I am just toggling through to go into the main menu. And then here's where you can go into like AirPlay. So I was able to connect you can see there the iPhone to it. So you can go in and connect AirPlay just by going into those AirPlay settings, which it shows you on the screen, which is pretty easy. And you can see my phone on the screen there. So really, really easy to do that as well. Now, it does look like this battery is not charged, so I'm going to charge this up while I'm showing you the other stuff you can do. So it comes preloaded with a bunch of Google TV and YouTube and Prime Video apps, and you can add other apps, or if you have a file on there, or music or thumb drive, you can do all those things as well. So that is what it looks like. Now, I did have to update it when I first got it, and you can see there no videos are available, so it does show that, and the music. So that's what the interface looks like. So let me jump back over here to show you this, because it does have this auto feature. So it's an auto keystone, vertical keystone feature, so you can really get a good look at that. I'm just holding this up. I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm just holding this up and able to project right on the ground. So it goes from like 20 inches. Actually, this is probably, well, maybe that's 20 inches. 20 inches to 120 inches of space. And you can just see the clarity. Even I have studio lights on, and the clarity of this thing is pretty amazing. So you can obviously tell if you were using this and going on vacation, or you can see it tries to auto adjust there as well, so auto adjusting that keystone. And then on the remote, it does have a focus, so if I did focus here, you can see that focus wheel going, and then coming back to focus. Oh, maybe I went too far. There we go. Am I going too far? I think I'm going too far, and I'm not holding it very steady, so it's probably not going to work very good. Here we go. Now it's coming back into focus. I went way out of focus. So you can see that just by pushing the focus button. And then I have all preloaded stuff there as well. So a pretty cool little setup. So if you're looking for a really nice portable projector that's easy to use, and it is saying that it's going into power save mode as I'm unplugging it here. So there you go. That's what this little projector looks like. Really cool, compact, neat, and ready to go. Hope this video gives you a good idea of what comes in the box and how it works.